I got Jennifer's shoes. I ended up getting the shoes that Jennifer wanted so bad.
I don't know. I don't know. My big tattoo. I see a big tattoo.
I hear a tractor, don't you, Liz?
I see one.
Hear it? I hear one. You hear it?
What is it? What is it?
It's across the road, Coco.
What?
It's Kim.
What is it?
Come over here and look. I bet you can see it from over here.
Ow!
We try to use our other camera. Oh, let's go out here and look at it. Let's go back into here and look at it. You want to take the bat?
Road, you're